Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today we're diving deep into the features of two popular grooming devices, the Norelco Philips All-in-One 7000 series and the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 beard trimmer. We'll compare their performance, battery life, and unique features to help you make an informed choice for your grooming routine. Let's get started. When it comes to battery life, the Norelco 7000 series stands out with an impressive runtime of up to 5 hours, making it ideal for extended grooming sessions. In contrast, the SHPAVVER offers a shorter runtime of 90 minutes, which may require more frequent charging. However, the SHPAVVER does feature a fast charging capability, reaching a full charge in just 1.5 hours, which is a significant advantage for users on the go. The Norelco 7000 features self-sharpening titanium-coated blades that promise longevity and precision, ensuring a smooth trimming experience. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER utilizes standard precision stainless steel blades, which, while effective, may not offer the same durability as titanium. This difference in blade technology can significantly affect the overall grooming experience, especially for those with thicker hair. Waterproofing is another critical factor to consider. The SHPAVVER boasts an IPX6 rating, making it suitable for use in the shower and easy to clean. While the Norelco 7000 is marketed as waterproof, it lacks a specific rating, which may leave some users questioning its durability in wet conditions. For those who prioritize convenience and versatility in grooming, the SHPAVVER's waterproof feature is a notable advantage. In conclusion, both the Norelco Philips All-in-One 7000 series and the SHPAVVER beard trimmer have their unique strengths. If you value extended battery life and premium materials, the Norelco is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with fast charging and excellent waterproofing, the SHPAVVER is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.